Welcome. In front of me is the Samsung Galaxy A34, and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, all you need to do is open up content that you wish to capture. Make sure that it's open and visible on your screen. I will be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already prepped for me and good to go. From there, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. In this case, we're just gonna click it actually. Yep, there we go. So just a click, and it brings up our screenshot right here with a couple options like edit, tag, and share, and also detect text. Now, once it disappears, you can then find your screenshots in your gallery application. So I'm gonna open it up, and here you'll also find under albums a new album called Screenshots, where you'll find strictly screenshots. So there are the two that I have literally captured just a second ago. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.